Do you find it hard to trust yourself? Do you second guess your choices, silence your intuition, or constantly look to others for reassurance? If you're ready to rebuild that sacred connection with yourself, this tapping session is for you. By the end of this session, you'll feel more grounded in your truth, connected to your inner wisdom, and empowered to trust yourself again. So before we begin, check in with yourself. On a scale of 0 to 10, how much do you trust your own inner voice right now? 10 being no trust at all and 0 being completely trust. Take a mental note of this number and we'll come back to it at the end. Now let's take a long breath in. And let go. Even though I struggle to trust myself, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I second guess my decisions and doubt my inner voice, I choose to be gentle with myself as I heal this. Even though I've learned to trust others more than I trust myself, I am open to rebuilding that connection within. And I deeply and completely love and honor myself. I have lost trust in myself. I second guess my choices. I doubt what I feel. I've silenced my inner voice. I've relied on others for answers. Because I learned that my voice didn't matter. Or that I couldn't trust it. And that's been really hard. I honor the part of me that stopped trusting. Maybe I was punished for speaking up. Maybe I was told I was wrong. Or made to feel like I couldn't trust myself. I learned that it was safer to follow others. To ignore what I felt. I send love to that younger version of me. They were just trying to stay safe. I release the belief that I can't be trusted. I let go of the fear of making the wrong choice. I release the doubt that clouds my judgment. I let go of the shame around past decisions. I release the need to seek constant reassurance. I let go of the voice that says you'll mess it up. I release the belief that others know better than me. I am ready to reclaim my inner guidance. I am reconnecting with my intuition. I am rebuilding my trust in myself. My inner voice is wise and loving. I know what's best for me. I honor what I feel. I trust my inner compass. I can rely on myself. My truth is always within reach. I choose to trust myself deeply. I feel safe listening to my heart. I honor my inner knowing. I allow my decisions to reflect my truth. I am safe to choose for myself. I trust that I will learn from every experience. I trust myself to lead with love. I believe in my ability to make aligned choices. I trust myself more each day. I speak, act, and live from my truth. I am rooted in self-trust. I follow what feels right for me. I am allowed to trust myself fully. My inner guidance is always with me. I honor my journey of healing. I am free to be me. Take a long breath in And exhale. Now check in again. Where is your number now? How much has this shifted for you? Notice if there's even the slightest shift in your connection to yourself. Let me know in the comments. I love to hear what resonated with you. You might want to revisit this session a few more times to deepen your healing. I have also created a free ebook called How to Overcome Anxiety, Stress and Burnout. If you'd like a copy, head over to my website. I'll leave the link in the comments and in the description below. And if you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a healing session. And if you'd like to work with me one-to-one, please head over to my website at mahesha.com. Until next time, I'm sending you so much love and light.